How to see who viewed my Instagram video. I am going to show you how you can easily see who viewed your Instagram video. The first thing you want to do is to open your Instagram. The next thing you need to do is go to your profile from the bottom right corner. Now click on the three lines at the top right corner and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and in here, a lot of options will be given, in which you can make changes. Let us open Account Type and Tools. Click on Switch to a professional account. Tap on Continue. Learn about your followers and click on Continue again. You can reach more people by creating promotions. Next, click on Continue. You can get a new contact option to your profile to make it easier for people to get in touch with you. Click on Continue again. Now choose a category for your account. Now select your category as a business or a creator. Review your contact information. You can connect your Instagram to your Facebook as well. Now set up your professional account by following simple 5 or 6 steps. Now go back and open your post. Go to Post Insights to check the reach of your post. Here is your post overview or its engagement. You can find it here on how many people have viewed your video or post. It is 0 here but can change whenever people see or react to it. That is how you can see impressions on your post and see who viewed your post or video. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.